Hello everyone, welcome to CANWIN Automatic Equipment Company channel. This is Flora. CANWIN is one of the largest electrical equipment manufacturer in China. We focus on the R&D for silicon steel sheet cut-to-length lines, silicon steel sheet slitting line, transformer foil winding machines and other equipment. Recently, we successfully developed a new type cut-to-length line. Today, let me take you to be familiar with behind me this one. AI robot automatic lamination cut-to-length line. CANWIN transformer core machine center adopts element system which can support 2 cutters free punching, 2 cutters for punching, 2 cutters quick punching, 2 cutters aid punching, and other cutters mode. According to the cutter's weight, it can be divided into 300, 450, 650, 850, 950, and 1250. Combined with CANWIN high-speed slitting line intelligent storage, dozens of sets of processing center combinations. It solves the past horizontal cutting line, only can cut but not stack. Need to transform the repeated handling. Trust mechanical lamination reservation trouble. Low efficiency. Covers and areas of large need more labor and other problems. It is especially suitable for the standardized production of super enterprises in the electronic power field in the future. Annual output of 50,000 units, 100,000 units, millions units of iron core. First of all, let me introduce the four-head uncoiler machine to you. This coil inner diameter is 500 mm, coil maximum outside diameter 1200 mm, maximum load per head 2 tons. The uncoiler adapts synchronous steply speed regulation to follow the discharge, hydraulic tension, disc brake, and electronic rotation. This machine has 2 O-punch and 1 V-notch. The O-punch section adopts ductile casting in batch and adopts 5-axis machining center for one-time processing and forming after eliminating pressure. V-notch section using adopts 5-axis machining center for one-time processing and forming after eliminating pressure. Adopts imported square linear guide rail. The cutting section adopts ductile casting in batch and adopts 5-axis machining center for one-time processing and forming after eliminating pressure. The cutter section includes positive 45 degrees shears, negative 45 degrees shears, transverse slide table, discharge roller, and so on. Our feeder up and down feeding roller and measuring roller. Feeding roller drive system adopts German Siemens SimMotion 435 motion control system. And now, let me introduce the most important part of our new machine. It is our double mechanical arm, which is the cool guys behind me. There are 2 lifting robots on both sides of the exchange platform. The robot arm is equipped with electromagnetic section taps, which can extract 5 to 7 silicon steel sheets at one time and place them accurately on the corresponding cord stacking platform. The automatic exchange stacking table positioning needle is installed on the automatic laminating platform, and the transformer cord is installed on the laminating platform to meet the laminating requirements. The machining center has 6 stacking platforms, which are installed on sliding rails controlled by movable servo motors and can be automatically switched. The AI robot automatic lamination cut-to-length line say here over. If you have any questions, welcome to leave a message in the comment area below. If you're interested in this kind of video, don't forget to follow. CANWIN, manufactured by heart, trustworthy. See you next time.